back to my channel. I hope you're all doing good, and without wasting any time, I'm really excited to tell you, just share with you how I exactly get so much stuff from Shein at a very cheaper price. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. First thing first, which is very important, is you will see somewhere here I'm just putting the screen of my Shein app. How do I actually collect points? So you have to first, very important step is daily check-in points. Day 1 you'll get 2 points, day 2 you'll get 3 points, day 3 you'll get 5, day 4 5, day 6 7, day 7 8, something like that. The point goes on and it increases as per days. So from the entire week you can actually collect 30 to 40 points a week. So 30 to 40 points a week, and at times so there's a surprise points too. So at times you can even collect more than that. So number 1 way to collect the points is the daily check-in points. Okay. Number 2 is Shein game points. So whenever you play games on Shein, they either give you points which are like 5 points, 10 points, or 2 points, 3 points. They also make a very huge difference though. And otherwise you get free shipping. You get shop over 2000 and you 200 rupees off, or shop over 2200 and get 260 rupees off, something like that. So you get those coupons, which are also very useful when you shop. Coming down to the third point, so when you place any order, so you have that section called confirm delivery. If you can see here, there's something called confirm delivery. If you confirm your delivery of your post order, you get 10 points. Then the fourth way how to collect the points is the live stream. So whenever Shein has an ongoing live, you go there, they give you they have those point boxes. You collect points from there. I do not actually go from the Shein live because I don't have the patience to wait so much. But if you want an extra points, you can even collect it from the Shein live stream, and you can collect easily, I think 10-12 points, but I do not personally go and do that because I don't have so much time. And the fifth way how you can collect points is review. So suppose if I have purchased like here, example here, this is my last order, and now I'm supposed to, like you can see in the top, you can see how many points can I collect. So yeah, in order to get all the points, I have to put in the review. Reviews as in the picture of the item, what I've purchased, the picture of the product, what I've purchased. Then write down in detail like whether you like the product, whether you don't like the product. But please put some genuine reviews so that it can help other people when they buy. Do not just for the points namesake just put it and just leave it. But if you're writing a review, please write. It's gonna be like 2-3 words. It's okay. But please write a very authentic review so it actually helps the other person when they buy the product. So yeah, you write the review, you upload the picture, and the third thing what you'll get in this section is when you update your sizes. So if you're an XS, they will ask you what's your weight, what's your height and everything. So if you update that, you get extra points for that too. So in all, you can collect that much points. That was my 5 ways how to collect points. Now coming down to the section that is how to shop. How to shop, as in I generally, whatever I like, I put it in my wish list. I keep them until they are not in sale, or there's no price drop. I will not buy it until unless that is not in sale, or as I said, price drop. There has been a lot of times where I have either put those items in my cart or in my wish list, and after a certain point I've always seen a price drop. I don't know why, but I've always seen a price drop. It's not that a major difference. It comes to like 50, 60 or something like that. But it's still like, there is a price drop basically. Second thing is I always shop from the sale section. Now sale section as in there are flash sales. There are buy 2 for 699 or buy 3 for 999 or buy 2 and get 50% off. They have such kind of sales too. So I either buy from this or either buy from that. And yeah, I love shopping from Shein. It's I think my more than half of the wardrobe is from Shein. Like my bags, my clothes, shoes are very less from Shein. But yeah, basically I shop a lot from Shein. The other way you can get more like discount in your order, whichever order you place, is when you shop for 2200 you get 200 rupees off, or you get shop for 2600 and you get 260 off. So whenever you shop, make sure you use those points, because if you shop less than 1800 and if you don't have a free shipping code which is up to 750, you will end up paying 130 rupees for the shipping, which makes no sense actually. So I always see that either I have a free shipping code, like when I shop for rupees 750, so you know, then I can order more than 750 or just approx 750. Or if I do not have that code, then I will always go and opt for shopping worth rupees 2200 or 2500, so I do not pay shipping, plus I get the additional discount, that is 260 or 220 or 200, whatever, and plus I can use my points, so I get it at more cheaper price basically. So these were my points on how do you exactly shop from Shein. That is what I do. Now this is my order which I had purchased like a few days ago, and this order was one boots, black boots, as you can see, these rings which I am wearing right now, and a bag. So you can see like all these 3 items in the list here. So the boots were for 1050 when I actually wanted to order them, and these rings were, I think, I don't remember the exact price for the rings, I think 100 maybe or 120, something like that. And this bag was for 406. Yeah, I think it was 406. So I had collected 1050 points in like 2.5 months. That is exactly, this is how I collected 1050 points, like by playing the game or by collecting the daily check-in points. And after collecting the points, what I did was I used my coupon code where I get free shipping for if I buy something more than 750, so I get free shipping. So I used that coupon code and I used my entire points. Like you get an option whether you want to use how many ever points, but I always prefer like, you know, collecting a lot of points and then using them all together. So I used my 1050 points and I got discount of rupees 772 if I'm not wrong. I will just put it here so you can just see. So I got the discount of 772. So if you're going to see, I actually just had to pay the 50% of the amount. Otherwise 1050 plus 400 is 1450, plus just catch 100 for the rings. So that comes up to 1550, and I have just paid 772. Guys, I'm not kidding. I've just paid 772. You can see here. So I got my boots after discount. I got my boots for 534 if I'm not wrong. I got these rings for 50 rupees and I got the bag for 206 rupees. That is how I do my budget shopping on Shein, and that is how I just keep shopping on Shein all the time, and I save a lot of money. I think you should try this too, collecting points and all the coupon codes. If this video really helps you, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload such secret videos. Please go subscribe.
So this is how the bag looks like in person, and one thing I don't like about this bag is that it's not spacious and it can't take a lot of weight. But if you get it for the price I've got it, it's a very good deal, guys. And these are the boots. They are very, very, very lightweight. Not that stiff material, like the upper part is not that stiff material. Very easy to wear, very comfortable and excellent for the price.